rides a wild horse, she bewitches with her charm. With tongues of fire, desire, she dances with the sun. She wears a garland, she can go where she likes. And with her body, she makes love to the night. She paints her body all in red, quietly drives her lovers mad. What others think she doesn't care, 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 care. She feels no sorrow for tomorrow. She dances in the now throughout the seasons. She is ever on her guard. She needs no armor, can't harm her. She's ready for the fight.